practically, I'm going to show you how to access Microsoft Fabric. So for you to access Microsoft Fabric, you need to come to your Power BI desktop. This is your Power BI desktop. When you open Power BI, you come to sign in to desktop. You're going to provide, of course, your email address to be able to sign in to Power BI service. Okay, so I'm signing in. It's going to take a while. Okay, continue. Yeah, so I've signed in, right? That is why you can see Stella Justin. So I'll go straight into Power BI service. If I go straight into Power BI service, notice it's going to open up. It's asking me to confirm my sign in again. Okay, so Power BI service is app.powerbi.com. Now, when you come to Power BI service, you'll come to the left navigation pane here. At the end, you see the Power BI icon, and click on it, and then you could see different experiences. Now, these are shortcuts, right? So, different experiences you can have with Microsoft Fabric. Notice that I have Microsoft Fabric enabled, so I could just click here to go to the Microsoft Fabric homepage. But then, if you don't have all these, then Microsoft Fabric is not enabled for your organization or for you for your account. So, you can see Power BI Data Factory, Activator, Data Engineering, Data Science, Data Warehouse, Real-Time Analytics. So these are different functions and different experiences you can have here in Microsoft Fabric. Okay, like I said, you can work as a data engineer or as a data scientist or um, engineers also use data warehouses, but all data professionals. Then for real-time analytics, now, if you don't have these and you want to, um, you have admin access and you want to enable it for your organization, just come here to your account manager up here where you can see my picture. Then you'll be able to, you know, um, choose start trial. You would see a notification here to start trial. So I actually clicked on start trial before, that is why you have this, but I really don't need a trial anyway because I have a free account. But then if this is not here, if the start trial icon is not here, what you need to do is come to settings and go to admin portal from here. If you have admin privileges, the admin privileges you can have to enable this is maybe you're the Microsoft Fabric administrator for your organization. It's a new role that is available as of July 2023, right? It's a new role in Microsoft, the Fabric administrator, or your Office 365 administrator, or you're a Power platform administrator. That is when you can enable this. If not, you don't need to go to admin portal. If you don't have admin privileges and you still want to experience Microsoft Fabric, what do? You come to let me open it. So you search for app.microsoft um, app dot microsoft.fabric.com. Sorry. Okay, so I have, oh, it's fabric.microsoft.com, sorry, app.fabric.microsoft.com. So it's going to open, and then you confirm your sign in email. Yeah, then it's going to bring you to the Fabric homepage. This is the Fabric homepage, app.fabric.microsoft.com. And then notice the experiences you can have, like I showed you from Power BI service. You can go back to Power BI service from here, the Power BI experience. You have Data Factory as a data engineer. You want to run ETL project, and ingest data and clean and all of that. You use Data Factory. You have the data activator for monitoring and your, you know, your data architecture and all of that. Synapse for data engineering. You want to do data science, machine learning, and all of that. Data warehousing, Synapse, real-time analytics. So these are the experiences you can have in Fabric. Now we're going to explore the experiences in my next video. For you to also come to this homepage from Microsoft, from Power BI service, let's go back to Power BI app.powerbi.com, where you have the Power BI icon at the left navigation pane. You're going to see in Microsoft Fabric. You click on it, and yeah, it has brought you here. Notice there's a little slight difference. It's app.powerbi.com still, right? But it still brought you to the same homepage when you come when you do app.fabric.microsoft.com. So you can access this homepage both as a Power BI existing Power BI user, or someone who doesn't have access to Power BI prior to now. You'll come straight to fabric.microsoft.com. All right, so thank you.